well and good at home. Stay healthy, my dear children. Take care. And also in our previous classes, we have studied about the cell cycle. We have studied about the phases of mitosis. We have completed 2 phases of mitosis. Right now, before going into the lesson, here we have an announcement for you children. This is a very big good news for you. In this present situation, ICSE Council have reduced your syllabus of all the subjects. Today I am announcing you the reduced syllabus of biology. Okay, my dear children. Okay, what is the reduced syllabus of biology? Class 10 ICSE is, earlier you were having 15 chapters in biology, but now they have reduced 4 chapters in that. Okay, in that first chapter is chemical coordination in plants. Now I am telling which are the chapters which are omitted by the ICSE Council. First one is chemical coordination in plants, population lesson, pollution lesson, human evolution. All these chapters are very easy chapters and not so important in the knowledge base. Okay, in the knowledge view, all the other chapters which are intact are very knowledge based lessons that will be helping for your further studies. Okay, this is a very big good news in the lockdown, children. Very happy. Then don't take an advantage of this. Stay well, study well. Okay, understood? Now we will enter into our lesson, that is cell cycle, cell division, phases of mitosis. We'll have a small recap of our previous lesson. That is, in our previous lesson we had studied about the phases of mitosis. In that I had give you one PMAT. Do you remember? PMAT or IPMAT. I here means interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. In our previous classes we had done with interphase, prophase, metaphase. Okay, what was the main important or which is the main function or the structural review of metaphase is where the chromosomes arrange in a equatorial plane. Right now, my dear children, up to here we had stopped our classes. If you don't have the information of that, go to the website of our school. You can type that class 10 ICSE cell division, cell cycle or phases of mitosis. You will get that videos. First watch that videos because it is a continuation video of that topic. If you have not seen that video, you can't understand this concept. Okay, understood? Now we will get into the lesson. Up to here we have that where chromosomes are arranged in a equatorial plane. Okay, after this what happens? The cell enters into the early anaphase. Okay, here the cell enters into the anaphase stage where that anaphase is again divided into two, that is early anaphase and late anaphase. What happens in the early anaphase? Before going to that, I have also told you the general structure of the chromosome, right? This is the general structure of the chromosome. What is this central part called? Centromere. Centromere. Correct, no? This is called as centromere, no? What happens in the early anaphase? You can see here the spindle fibers, no? What that spindle fibers will do, they will put pressure on the centromeres of the chromosomes. What they will do, they will put pressure so that they will be contracting. These spindle fibers will contract. These spindle fibers will contract. So what happens here? Earlier it was 4 chromosomes, right? No, I have said in my earlier video also, whenever you write the number of chromosomes, it should be even in number. Okay, here we have 4 chromosomes. So in the early anaphase what happens? 4 chromosomes will be divided into 8 chromatids because chromosomes will be divided. Chromosomes will be divided the spindle fiber starts contracting and they will take out or divide the chromosomes into two parts and they will start taking into the pushing that towards the poles. Okay, this is the early anaphase. What is late anaphase? Late anaphase here is what? Completely the chromatids will come to the poles of the cell. Poles is here nothing but ends, correct? No? Poles of the cell, and also the cell membrane starts giving furrow. Okay, the cell membrane starts producing furrow in it. Okay, that shows that the cell division is about to complete. Okay, that shows that cell division is about to complete. What happens in the early anaphase? The 4 chromosomes will be divided into 8 chromosomes and the spindle fibers start contracting and move the chromatids towards the pole, starts moving. Okay, and in the late anaphase the chromatids will be completely moved to the poles and there will be furrow. There will be furrow in the cell membrane. This is about the late anaphase. Next, coming into the early telophase. Here you can see T. Early telophase. What happens in the early telophase? My dear children, telophase is the phase which is exactly opposite of the prophase. Okay, what happened in the prophase? Nuclear membrane disappears, nucleolus disappears, chromatin threads are decondensed to form what? Chromosomes, correct? No? So exactly opposite to that is the telophase. And another main thing here is I have told you about the karyokinesis and cytokinesis in my previous video. What is karyokinesis? That is the division of the nucleus. Okay, and what is cytokinesis? That is the division of the cytoplasm. Here keep in mind, my dear children, division of cytoplasm will exactly or it will be started in late anaphase stage only. How? It is producing furrow, no? No? So that is the identification that cytokinesis will be started in the early anaphase stage only. Okay, you may get question on this in your exams. Okay, coming here, what happens in the early telophase? What happens? Nuclear membrane reappears. Okay, nuclear membrane reappears, nucleolus reappears, chromosomes or chromatids decondense to form chromatin fibers. Okay, this happens, and also the furrow deepens. You can see here just in the early anaphase. Late anaphase, it has just started its furrow. Correct? No, it has just started its division of cytoplasm. But here in the early telophase, it is going to complete the division of cytoplasm also. The furrow deepens. The furrow deepens and centrosomes moves to the each, and also nucleus is also getting divided. In the late telophase, what happens? It completely divides into 2 new daughter cells. Okay, what happens here? It completely divides into 2 new daughter cells. The nuclear membrane becomes prominent, chromatin fibers become prominent, nucleolus became prominent, centromere will reappear. It will give rise to 2 prominent, and completely the cytoplasm also have been divided. Okay, karyokinesis also ends here. Understand? These are the phases of the mitosis. I have said earlier also, again I am telling because it is the very important question, short question. You may get questions by giving the pictures like this. They will never ask you to write the complete process of mitosis. They will give you one stage of the mitosis. They will ask you to identify. They will ask you to write the prior stage of that phase or after stage of that phase. Okay, so you should be thorough with each and every stage of mitosis because it is a short question in your section B. Okay, understood. So this is the completion of phases of mitosis. In our next video, we will start with the another topic. Until then, study well, stop wishing, start working. Thank you.